Hi guys, welcome to a new video. The day is morning. I have been for mass. I go for mass every Sundays. I don't know how many of you people go for mass or you think it is irrelevant, but I go for mass on Sundays. I find it a way of meditating, self-reflection, and this is beyond today's topic. So today's topic is quinoa. So I have recently incorporated quinoa in my breakfast diet. Usually I love eggs, but you can't be having eggs every day. And since I have PCOS, I can't be having something that is rich, heavy, fat every day. I have eggs on alternate days, like alternating 2 days, that way. I even have salami for breakfast, or I have butter and bread for breakfast. I have brown bread for breakfast, and recently I incorporated this in my breakfast. Quinoa is packed with nutrition. It is a part of a vegan diet and it is easy to prepare. So today I'll be preparing quinoa for breakfast and I'll show you how I prepare quinoa for breakfast. It is packed in nutrition. So quinoa was first originated in Chile. I'll be posting the map somewhere up here to show you from where this originated and how this has become a trend of diet. And I have understood why it is a trend because I have read the nutritions of all of this particular legume or cereal. What would you call it? I do not know. It's basically quinoa seeds. You soak it in water or you boil it just for 10 minutes and you can cook it, and I'm going to show you how I exactly cook this particular meal. Okay, so this recipe is going to be quick and easy. I've already pre-soaked my quinoa for 5 minutes or so, and now I'm going to place the quinoa in this pan, add some water to it and just boil for 10 minutes. When the water is almost about to dry, we take a spoon and we stir the quinoa so that we avoid the quinoa sticking to the bottom of the pan. Okay, so now that the water is all dried up, I have made this portion in between where we are going to add the olive oil, and to the olive oil will be crackling some cumin seeds. Finally, gradually, once it is all, the cumin seeds have released their flavors, we are going to add Szechuan sauce. You can either use Szechuan sauce, marinara sauce, or any kind of sauce that is tomato based that has garlic in it. We let the pot sit there for 10 to 20 minutes with the lid on, and once your quinoa has split, you can serve with garnish. You can add coriander leaves or mixed herbs. First time preparing quinoa, so I find the need to add more water because I want my quinoa to boil a little longer, because I want the full outcome of it being split. Just like you have scrambled eggs or egg noodles, I have beat an egg and I have added that to my quinoa. So we'll let that boil for a little while longer. Okay, now this is my breakfast. It has quinoa, eggs, and I have used coriander. And lastly, I failed to record that. I forgot to show you that I added turmeric. Turmeric makes the food delicious. It has anti-inflammatory properties. If I'm using Szechuan sauce, which is slightly spicy, I think turmeric is a necessity. So is cumin seeds. These are impeccable for digestion. Next thing, we have here my coffee, and I'm going to have the quinoa seeds dish with my brown bread. That's all for the preparation. Okay, you guys, that's all for this video. These were a packet of 2, a total of 1 kilo 800 grams. Each packet was 900 grams. So say the selling point was 10 apples. I purchased it just for 4 apples. So that was like a benefit on Amazon. When Amazon runs sale, they run like amazing sale. So I'll link the link for this purchase in the description box below. So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and don't fail to subscribe to my channel. Until then, bye.